Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your activity log on Instagram. So what you want to do, once you're in Instagram, click your profile on the lower right hand side, and then you want to click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. Then from here, guys, the third option down is your activity. Now once you click on that, you have all different activities categorized. So you have likes, comments, tags, sticker responses, reviews, recently deleted, archive, posts, reels, highlights, not interested, uninterested, time spent on Instagram, your account history, recent searches, and so much more. And this is where, guys, you can basically come and find your full activity logs on Instagram. Really hope you find this useful, and if you do go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time, and also give this video a like. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.